What's up, peeps? This is Todd, and welcome back to my show. Today, we're going to talk about how to get free hotel stays for life. If that sounds good, let's hop into the video. So as many of you watching my channel already know, I make the vast majority of my income by investing in real estate. But I understand that becoming a real estate investor has a pretty high barrier to entry, and that realistically, there are people out there who will never actually buy a home. But more than just a real estate guy, I am also the life hack guy, so I wanted to come to you about how you can get free hotel stays pretty much every time you travel. So today I'm going to talk about the mystery shopping company HS Brands, also known as Service Sleuth, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can use this company as well as a few other mystery shopping companies in order to get free hotel stays every time you travel. Okay everybody, so I have logged into the secret shopping company HS Brands International. It's also called Service Sleuth. I know it's weird, it has two names, but I have been using this secret shopping company for, since I was in college, so like going on maybe 6 years now, 7 years. It was like my junior year of college that I started with this company, I believe, if I remember correctly. But anyway, this is a great company that you can use to get secret shops to hotels, and they pay for everything. So I just pulled up one because I thought this was cool. You can go to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in California, and check this out. They give you $125 for your time. So that's like your profit. Plus they give you a $25 bonus if you submit the report, I think within like 24 hours or 48 hours. I'll double check on that. So basically $150 is like your profit. But then check this out. Your expense limit is $1,000. So basically this specific secret shop allows you to stay for 2 nights and get pretty much all of your drinks and food and valet parking and tips paid for. They reimburse you $1,000. Plus they pay you $150 in profit, being the shopper's pay of $125 and the bonus pay of $25. So looking at the details of this is indeed a 2-night stay. Here we go. I'm just going to scroll down and spare you guys the boring details. But check this out. So you even get reimbursed up to $225 for like gambling. So you get a gambling allowance, which is pretty sweet. Now this is just one of many hotel shops that are available. I personally have done secret shops to resorts and just all sorts of places. But this is pretty awesome. This is called HS Brands, and they have secret shops to hotels, casino resorts, all the things. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.